availability of a hand grenade is a possibility that it would be with anyone, not the intention that you are trying to prop. But I forgive you. Because those are the speculations I talked about, that no matter you are feeling, no matter what you feel, avoid speculations because you divert the attention of the investigating officer and you may end up losing a very good case. Yeah.
There's also speculation that this incident happened in the neighborhood, not at Kalonzo's home. Is that true?
That is what you see, I've just told you that we had security vehicle right in front of his house. And I think because of the presence of the security persons, then the point of action was at the second gate, which is at the extreme end of the compound. And I've said we have been very lucky that you see the Mheshimiwa, I must have slept in the morning. And by the time we came in the morning, I think he was still very tired. So we gave him time. But after now getting into the compound, we have managed to get the point where the grenade was thrown. And therefore, we cannot say it is in the neighborhood. It's right inside his compound. We don't want to deny that. It's factual.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.